Welcome back to TECHi. I'm glad you're here. Today, we're diving into the story of the Chinese defense AI boom, how the army of the future is being reshaped by artificial intelligence, and what that means for the global power balance. In February 2025, state-owned defense firm Norinco announced the P60 combat support vehicle, capable of autonomous missions at speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, powered by an AI system called DeepSeek. This launch wasn't just about a new vehicle. It was a clear message that Beijing is using AI to sharpen its strategic edge in the arms race. China has methodically reviewed scholarly articles, patent filings, and procurement documents to build up its military AI capability. Although many details remain secret, there are credible indications of autonomous target recognition, battlefield decision support, and unmanned systems, capabilities likely to change the face of future warfare. Despite the U.S. export ban on NVIDIA's advanced A100 and H100 chips to China since 2022, analysts have found patent applications as late as 2025 citing NVIDIA chips in Chinese military research institutes. At the same time, Huawei's domestic AI chips, especially the Ascend series, are increasingly appearing in procurement notices, aligning with China's push for local tech independence. China's ambitions go beyond mere data processing. The People's Liberation Army is exploring robot dogs that can sniff explosives, groups of drones that swarm and target, and battlefield systems that operate with minimal human oversight. For example, a tender in late 2024 called for AI-controlled robot dogs that can work as a team to map terrain and assess threats. Plus, a patent from Beihang University describes how DeepSeek improves coordination of small drones. It's not just China in motion. The U.S. military and its allies are also dedicating major resources to autonomous platforms. By the end of 2025, the U.S. plans to deploy thousands of AI-enabled uncrewed aircraft. The core question is, will humans remain firmly in the loop? Or will machines begin making critical decisions? Chinese defense companies are pushing for local components, such as the Ascend chips from Huawei, while still relying, to some extent, on NVIDIA architecture hardware. This hybrid state shows China is still chasing full self-sufficiency. A senior PLA affiliate acknowledged that U.S. export controls have affected their progress, but stressed that China is determined to close the gap. We are witnessing the dawn of the so-called algorithmic era of armed conflict, where platforms like DeepSeek and firms like Huawei help bring the future battlefield closer, faster, smarter, more autonomous. For us, in the digital age, this means new risks, new dynamics, and new questions about autonomy, ethics, and control. Thanks for watching. This is TECHi. If you found value here, don't forget to tap like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so TECHi keeps showing up in your feed.